Hello guys, most of them get answer 1 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see here. 1 plus 2, it is 3. Here 27 divided by 9 times 3. So 27 divided by this 9 times 3 is 27. Now 27 divided by 27 is 1. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS multiplication and divisions are same priority, as well as this addition and subtractions are same priority. We have to do this in left to right rule. Now we have to do this bracket first. So 27 divided by 9, this is 3. Now here on division and multiplication, both are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right order. So left to right is this first. So 27 divided by 9 is 3 times this 3. Now 3 times 3 is 9. This is the correct answer. So 9.